We know that living thing can breathe, can move, can eat, and non-living thing cannot breathe, cannot move, can't eat. Are they a living thing?
The answer is yes, absolutely yes, because they are moving, so movement is a sign of living.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. You sow a seed in soil. After few weeks, you find a plant led growing on basing a character. So they are living thing. On to the next point. So we know that movement and growth are indication of life. But in this photo, the dog is sleeping and cactus is still. Are they living thing?
No, of course not, because they are not moving.
No, you are wrong. They have movement, they are not visible to our naked eyes.
If movements are there, where are they?
We all know that living things are made up of organs, made up of tissues. Finally, cells are made up of molecules in living cells. There are continuous movement of molecules in a living cells. There is a continuous movement of molecules. These movements are essential for repeat and maintenance of process. These processes are called life processes.
Then, what are life processes?
Yeah, now we are going to describe it deeply. All the living things are made up of cells, and cells are made up of molecules. For a cell to be alive, it has to be repaired and maintained all the time. Repair and maintenance of a cell needs a continuous supply of new molecules and disposal of unwanted molecules. This task is achieved by a set of processes called life processes. Now we will see other basic life activities.
May I explain the nutrition?
Yes, of course.
Nutrition is a life process in which food is obtained by the organism and converted to simpler molecule, that is, nutrient.
Bravo, good job. Now we will describe respiration. Respiration is a life process in which oxygen is obtained by the organism and is supplied to the cell by the transport system. Cells utilize some of these nutrients and oxygen to produce energy. Some nutrients are used for synthesis of new materials for growth and repair. While carrying out the above activities, cells generate certain molecules which are toxin and to be excreted out of the body. On to the excretion. Excretion is the life process in which living organism excrete the toxic material out of the cell by the help of transport system. Transportation is the life process that helps in the transport of material in nutrition, respiration and excretion. So, nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion are the four essential life processes for an organism to survive.
Thank you and Jai Hind.